Hey, what's up? It's Garrett from Crown Design Group, and we are here at Updog Studio, their mix room, their control room at Inspiration Academy. And so we're standing right here in the midst of the room. Why don't you take a spin there, Ben? Amazing cameraman. You see a lot of acoustical panels. We use Connect, and we're able to kind of dampen the room, not completely kill it, but make it very comfortable for listening and for monitoring, and also for watching movies. As you can see, couches. This is obviously the mix position, but you are able to sit at the couches and just really enjoy looking at that, 80-inch 4K monitor, which is great. So why don't you come on over here, kind of walk you through a little bit of the studio, some of its capabilities, and what we got going on gear-wise. So over here, this is kind of the audio section. This is actually our Protools HDX system. We've got an Omni running as our interface. They're obviously not doing too much tracking here, but they are doing a lot of track count and mixing here. This is kind of pretty much designed as a post-production mixing suite. We also have our Xmon here, which is all the outputs for our Pro Tools system. We use Symmetrics as our DSP. We have all custom routing and programming inside the Symmetrics, telling each signal where to go, how to do it, and I'm going to show you in a second some of the control capabilities we have. We've got our Mac Mini server from Sonnet running our souped up Mac Mini. That's what's running actually our Pro Tools with an HDX acceleration card in the PCI expansion slot. Then we also have a Sonnet Fusion F3, which is our 6 terabyte hard drive. You can see up here, this is the DAW. This is our Pro Tools going on right here. Just standard Pro Tools HDX. It's got all the same capabilities, amazing sound, amazing editing capabilities. And so from here, we kind of move on. Why don't I just tell you a little bit about the speakers. We've got all Genelec speakers, 7.2 surround. In front of you here, you'll see our near field monitors, which are Genelec 8050s. And they are amazing. I love them. In fact, we've got them in a couple other places in the room. We've got them up on the walls. We've got a left surround, right surround, rear left, rear right, all 8050s. Up front, we've got the big boys. We've got left, center, right in the front of the room. And those are the 1037s. Yep. And on the floor, you'll see our two subs, which are 7070s, Genelec 7070s. And they are amazing. This open here. All the way. Screensaver. All right, moving on this way. We're good on the speakers?
Yep.
Sound amazing? Okay.
Yep.
Well, over here, we've got the Avid S6 control surface for our Pro Tools. This is obviously an amazing controller. It's kind of suited especially for post-production. The way you can kind of see the tracks and do 5:1 mixing and all that stuff is really made for, say I can just pull the mix down and I can do 5:1 panning all in real-time automation. Pretty cool. Great for post-production, great for high channel count and mixing. So we love it, and it's in here, and they're rocking it. Over here, we actually have this is the custom touch panel that we created through our Symmetrics. And really what this is kind of helping control the whole studio. So at home here, we can see all the different inputs. We can mute them. We can look at them. I'll look at my iPod here. We can see signal. And we've done something kind of cool here where we have a 2.0. For 2.0 sources, we actually have a simulated surround. So simply by bringing up the volume, we can hear. And just by simply going here, it does a separate mix for the side surround. So it's probably hard to hear on there. It's 2.0. But it's kind of what we're going for. You can monitor the speakers from here. If I turned it up, you'd be able to hear it more. Or see it more, that is. So really cool. This was all custom programmed by us, Crown Design Group, and it serves them really well. They can go through all their different inputs and do specific monitoring and specific overall leveling and Works really great. It's also got full on mutes and ons. So let's move on this way, if you can. Over here we've got our Grace Design M906. This is actually our monitoring. So when we're listening, let me actually turn it back up over here. Here, we can mute whatever we want. In fact, this monitoring unit actually also has a down mix, so I can do a 2.0 down mix to our near fields here. So I can go straight from our near fields to our mains. Those are the mains. Also with a sleek little actual full down mix from 5.1 to 2.0. Just like that. That's a true 5.1 Dolby down mix at 2.0. Alright, moving on over here. So, because this is post-production, they're also going to be cutting a little bit of film in here. They want to be able to, well, cut film, edit video, really. It's all digital. They've got a Mac Pro over here we've put into a Sonnet rack. And they are running Premiere, they're running Final Cut, and I think they do most of their stuff on Avid. So up here we actually have our monitors that are coming off of that computer. We've got 3 monitors right now going off. We have our main 80-inch 4K for extreme monitoring, and then other 2 screens here as well. So they do a lot of editing, and it's obviously a lot of fun in a room like this. Over here I can switch from different feeds to go to our big 80-inch 4K monitor. And it's just, this is a true 4K monitor by Digital Links, and I can just simply go to here. Let's go to the Blu-ray. What you'll see here is our oh, I think the movie's over. This goes right to our Blu-ray. It's actually an Apple Blu-ray. I'll go back a couple. It's a great movie. But from here, you do all your standard monitoring, and this is a true 7.2 Blu-ray player, so you're getting the full experience here. So, I think that's about it. It's obviously a lot going on in here, and I know you can't maybe tell from the iPhone, but it sounds ridiculous. We actually had Michael Chafee come here from Michael Chafee Enterprises. Helped us tune the room. He's got an amazing ear. But we're really happy the way it turned out. Sounds unbelievable, looks good, and I'm sure that a lot of people can be able to do a lot of great work in this room.